Hello, my name is Alan Lumsden, Chair of the Department of CV Surgery at Houston Methodist Hospital.
I'm Joel Garami, the Medical Director of the Vascular Ultrasound and Houston Methodist. Although we cannot meet in person this year, we are pleased to share these video lectures from last year's conference. Upon completing this video series, you can earn 7.75 CME or 8.25 CNE credits.
We have great lectures from excellent faculty, and we hope you find these videos informative and enjoyable. As we stay apart to keep our communities safe, I encourage you to explore more of DeBakey CV Education's online resources to learn and earn credit from anywhere in the world. You can subscribe to our DeBakey CV Education channel on YouTube to stay current. We wish you well and hope to see you next year in Houston.